Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the first video here on the Diversified Tech Solutions YouTube channel. Wanted to introduce ourselves to you. I have been doing IT and tech support for quite a few years, since the late 90s, and been working with Linux servers a lot of that time, really since about 2000. Networking, security, network security, cybersecurity, a number of areas there. I also do web hosting. I make websites for businesses. I help businesses get their Google page going, and other online marketing tasks as well. And so anyway, we are local to Johnson City, Tennessee, Kingsport, Bristol, Greenville, Elizabethton up in this neck of the woods, as well as the Asheville, North Carolina area, including Weaverville and Mars Hill and kind of all points in between. In any case, we hope to be bringing you some good videos. Some will be on the business and marketing side. Some will be on the cybersecurity and the networking side, and computers and IT, managed IT services. That's one of the things we provide, as well as managed security services. And so anyway, thanks for coming. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment below what your biggest challenges with IT is. And we will be looking to have some more videos out on this feed pretty soon here. Thank you much for stopping by.